In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a commission queue using Trello so you can organize clients, track progress, and never miss a deadline again. Whether you're an artist, designer, writer, or freelancer, having a clear commission workflow makes you look more professional and saves hours of back and forth. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional Trello board managing your entire commission process from inquiry to delivery. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello and log into your account. On the home screen, click Create and then select Create Board. Give your board a clear name like Commission Queue or Client Commissions. You can choose a background color or image if you'd like, then click Create. This board will be your central dashboard for every commission you take on. Now let's set up your lists. Lists are the columns that represent each stage of your workflow. A simple and effective structure is inquiries, confirmed, in progress, waiting on client, ready for delivery, and completed. To create these, click Add a List and type each stage one by one. This structure allows you to visually move clients through your process as their commission progresses. Next, let's add a commission as a card. Cards represent individual clients or projects. Under the Inquiries list, click Add a Card and enter the client's name along with a short project title. For example, Sarah, Portrait Illustration. Click on the card to open it and add more details. Inside each card, you'll want to fill out important information. In the description box, include the commission details, such as size, format, references, pricing, and special requests. This keeps everything in one place, so you're not digging through emails or DMs later. Now let's make this even more organized using labels. Click Labels inside the card and create color-coded tags like Paid, Unpaid, Urgent, Commercial Use, or Revision Needed. Labels give you an instant visual overview of each commission status without opening every card. After that, set a due date. Click Dates and choose the final delivery deadline. You can even set a reminder so Trello notifies you before the deadline arrives. This is extremely helpful if you're juggling multiple commissions at once. Another powerful feature is checklists. Inside the card, click Checklist and create a step-by-step task list, such as sketch, client approval, line art, coloring, final review, and delivery. As you complete each step, check it off. This ensures you never skip a part of your workflow and keeps your process consistent. Now here's where the magic happens. As a commission progresses, simply drag and drop the card from one list to the next. Move it from inquiries to confirmed once payment is received. Then drag it to in progress when you start working. If you're waiting for feedback, move it to waiting on client. When it's finished, place it under ready for delivery, and finally, completed once everything is done. This visual pipeline makes your workload crystal clear at a glance. If you want to take things a step further, click Automation at the top of your board and explore Butler automation. You can create simple rules, like automatically adding a checklist when a card moves to in progress, or applying a paid label when you add a specific tag. Automation saves time and reduces manual work. You can also share your board with a team member or assistant by clicking Share and inviting them via email. This is useful if you collaborate with editors, colorists, or virtual assistants who help manage your commissions. And that's it. You now have a fully organized commission queue inside Trello that tracks every client from first contact to final delivery. This system keeps your workflow structured, professional, and stress-free. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.